Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that completely reimagines the idea of travel, freedom, and tiny living on the road. Imagine exploring the world with a home so compact it fits on a tricycle, yet cleverly designed to provide the comfort and functionality of a miniature mobile house. That's exactly what the 2027 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper is all about. It's a creative blend of art, engineering, sustainability, and adventure that challenges everything we think we know about mobile living. The 2027 Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper immediately grabs attention because of its unusual design. At first glance, it looks like something between a futuristic cargo bike and a miniature house on wheels. Kevin Cyr, the creator behind this concept, has long been known for blending art and mobility. His earlier tricycle camper concepts were already fascinating, but the 2027 version takes the idea to a whole new level. When you're on the road, the camper stays streamlined for easier movement. But once you stop and park, the rear cabin becomes a miniature shelter designed for resting, sleeping, or simply relaxing after a day of travel. The cabin itself is surprisingly spacious considering the overall size. The structure is crafted with lightweight materials that maintain durability while keeping the total weight manageable for a pedal-powered vehicle. Inside the cabin, the layout is minimal yet functional. Soft padding and compact storage compartments are integrated into the interior walls, allowing travelers to keep their essentials organized without cluttering the limited space. This clever use of space reflects the philosophy behind tiny homes. Every inch must serve a purpose. As more people look for ways to reduce their environmental footprint, solutions like the Kevin Cyr Tricycle Camper offer a powerful example of how innovation can create greener travel options. The three-wheel structure provides good balance even when the camper is stationary or parked on uneven surfaces. The low riding position helps keep the center of gravity stable while pedaling. Of course, this type of camper isn't meant to replace large motorhomes or luxury. It combines transportation and shelter in a way that feels almost poetic. A tiny home that moves wherever your legs can pedal, to accommodate tiny pedal campers or eco-travel communities where travelers arrive in small, human-powered mobile homes. Another advantage of this camper is its ability to access places that larger vehicles simply cannot reach. For anyone who dreams about escaping the ordinary and experiencing travel in its purest form, this tiny pedal-powered camper represents freedom in its most minimalist form. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible micro-camper and love exploring unique vehicles and innovative travel ideas, make sure to stay tuned because we have many more fascinating designs.